Good evening, this is Ashish, registered number of TCS 038. Today I am going to explain you about a data structure program which is related to searching. The question is implementation of linear search and implementation of binary search. Now I am going to show you the program. So this is the implementation of linear search. It starts with the header file hash include iostream using namespace std. Then I have declared the int linear search in this int x array, int and int element. For then int of I, for I is equal, use the for condition in this. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If x of I is equal to element, then return for if for loop will run, then it will return 1, and if condition will run, then it will return 0. In main function, I have used the integer data type as a main function. Then int array of 25 I x n. Then I given as the first cout statement as enter the number of elements, then c in n, cout enter the array element. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, scene will be array of I. Then again cout statement is enter the element to be searched, then scene will be x. If I use the if condition in this, if linear search array n comma x and array comma n comma x, then cout will be the element found at x, else element not found. Now I'm going to build and run the program. As you can see the output screen, it is asking the enter the number of elements. Then I'm giving as 5. Enter the array elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter the element to be searched. I want search 2. It is found as element. It is written as element found at 2. Now I am going to explain you about the program related to binary search. This is the program for the binary search. It also starts with the hash include iostream using namespace, then int binary search, int x of array, int and int item, then int l is equal to 0, which is lower limit, int u is equal to n-1, which is upper limit, and int mid, which is middle index. I've used the while condition in this. While lower limit is less than upper limit, then mid is equal to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. If x of mid is equal to item, then return mid. Else if x of mid is less than item, then lower limit will be is equal to mid plus 1. Else if x of mid is greater than item, then upper limit will be the mid minus 1. Then return minus 1. In main function, I used as an integer data type. In this, int num is equal to 0 and position is equal to 0. Int array of 10 comma I. Then I have given the first cout statement as enter array of element in ascending order. For I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, then cout will be the enter the element I plus 1, scene will be the array of I. Then again cout statement is enter the element to be searched, scene num, position is equal to binary search array comma 10 comma num. If position is not equal to minus 1, then cout will be item found at location and the position will be shown. Else cout will be the item not found. Then cout of /n and return 0. Now I'm going to build and run the program. So here is the output screen. It is asking enter the elements in the ascending order, and I'm giving as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then enter the element to be searched. I want to search 2, 3. So item found at location 2. Here it is. You can see that at 0th location it is 1. At first location it is 2. At second location it is 3. So thank you.